Good evening, YouTube. Today we finished doing the rod bearings on our E93 M3 2009 with 105,000 miles. Top is the top bearing and the bottom is, well, the bottom ones. Cylinder 1 through 8 on the left. Let's take a look. So there's cylinder 1, the top bearing, and there's the bottom bearing for cylinder 1. Most of the wear is right around the edges. You can see a little bit of copper showing. I did not do this job myself because I don't trust myself in doing something that requires a lot of precision, and I just don't have a lift and the proper tools to be able to do this job. So I went to a shop to have it done here in San Jose. Paid about $2,500, and that includes all the parts and the engine mounts as well as the oil pan gasket. Overall, these bearings don't look too bad. They wore pretty evenly on each bearing, just a little bit of copper showing on the edges, but nothing too uneven. I'm still glad that we got these changed out so that we can actually enjoy the car without worrying about spinning a bearing or destroying an engine.